Olympus killed this camera line in 2021. Millions of photographers mourned it. And now, after 5 years of silence, System has just confirmed it's coming back. The Pen EP8 is real. But here's the question. Nobody is asking, should you actually wait for it? Or is this just nostalgia bait? In the next 10 minutes, I'll break down everything we know, everything we expect, and I'll tell you exactly whether this camera deserves your money or your patience. So here's what changed. A few months ago, System executives were asked point blank on a popular photography podcast, is the pen coming back? They didn't say yes, they didn't say no, they smiled. And that smile broke the internet. The photography community absolutely lost it. Forum threads, Reddit posts, YouTube videos. Everyone was asking the same question. What does that smile mean? Well, since then, more details have emerged. Multiple sources now report that a Pen EP8 is actively in development. System has reportedly been hinting at it since they separated from Olympus 5 years ago. And with 2026 marking the company's 90th anniversary, the timing feels more than coincidental. The big question now is not if the EP8 is coming, the question is what it will actually be. And that's where things get really interesting. Let's talk about what we're actually expecting in the System Pen EP8. We know about System's trajectory. Here's what makes sense. Starting with the sensor, the EP7 used a 20.3 megapixel live MOS sensor. And honestly, it's good, but it's old. The OM3 System's retro-styled body released recently uses a newer 20.37 megapixel stacked BSI CMOS sensor. That's the same sensor from the flagship OM1 Mark II, and every rumor points to the EP8 getting that exact same upgrade. Stacked BSE means better dynamic range, cleaner high ISO, and significantly faster readout speeds. For a street and travel camera, that's a massive deal. Next, IBIS, in-body image stabilization. The EP7 offered 4.5 stops of stabilization, respectable, but System has since pushed this dramatically. The OM5 offers 7.5 stops on the OM1. Mark II goes even further. Expect the EP8 to land somewhere in the 6 to 7 stop range, which, by the way, is better than almost every full-frame camera on the market right now, in a compact body. Wrap your head around that. Video capabilities. The EP7 did 4K at 30 frames per second. That was fine in 2021. In 2026, content creators expect more. Based on what System has been doing across its lineup, we're anticipating 4K at 60 frames per second, a huge upgrade for smooth motion and slow motion, possibly 6K video given the newer sensor capabilities, and better codec options for serious content work. The EP7 had no microphone jack, which frustrated a lot of vloggers. If System wants the EP8 to compete seriously in the creator market, and they do that, has to change. Autofocus. This was the EP7's weak spot. It used to contrast detect AF, which is fast, but not as fast or reliable as phase detect. The OM3 and newer System bodies all use AI-driven subject detection. Animals, birds, cars, people. The camera figures it out automatically. For the EP8 to feel modern, it needs that same AI autofocus system, and everything we're hearing says it will get exactly that. And then there's the design. This is where the pen has always won. The leak direction strongly suggests System is going back to the rangefinder-inspired aesthetic. Think clean lines, tactile dials, that iconic retro minimalism. The color profile control dial, one of the most loved features on the Pen-F, is expected to return, and yes, weather sealing. The EP7 was not weather sealed. That was a problem. The EP8 is widely expected to fix that, making it genuinely usable in rain, dust, and street conditions. So who is the System Pen EP8 actually for? It's for the person who wants real camera quality, not smartphone quality, but also refuses to carry around a heavy DSLR or a bulky full-frame mirrorless setup everywhere they go. It's for someone who values portability just as much as image quality, someone who wants a camera that fits into everyday life instead of interrupting it, the street photographer who wants something discreet, something that doesn't scream professional camera the moment you lift it, a camera that blends into the environment, lets moments unfold naturally, and captures people as they really are. Because the truth is, the smaller and less intimidating the camera, the more honest and authentic the photo becomes. It's for the travel creator who wants freedom, someone who wants to shoot high-quality 4K video, capture stunning stills, and rely on strong stabilization, all without worrying about luggage weight, extra gear, or carrying a full production setup. This is for the creator who wants to move fast, stay light, and still come back with cinematic results. The beginner who's stepping into the world of real cameras for the first time, someone who wants something simple enough to learn quickly but powerful enough to grow with over time. A camera that doesn't feel limiting after a few months but instead keeps unlocking new creative possibilities the more you use it. And honestly, it's for anyone who has ever looked at their phone photos and felt something was missing. That feeling of wanting more control, more depth, more character, wanting images that don't just look good but feel meaningful, a camera that makes photography feel intentional again. So here's my honest take. The OM system. Pen-EP8 has the potential to be something genuinely special, not because of nostalgia, not because of clever marketing, but because of where the Micro Four Thirds system stands right now in 2026, stronger, more refined, and more capable than it has ever been. The lenses available today are incredible, sharp, compact, and full of character. The computational photography features have reached a level that genuinely competes with, and in some cases surpasses, larger systems. And if OM system combines all of that with a modern sensor, proper weather sealing, and reliable AI-driven autofocus inside that iconic pen body, they could create a camera that stands almost completely alone in its category. But here's the reality: the timeline is still uncertain. Some reports suggest we could see an announcement by mid-2026. Others hint that it might take longer. And if we're being honest, OM system has a track record of moving at its own pace. They don't rush, which can be frustrating, but sometimes that patience leads to something more refined. So should you wait for it? If you're already invested in Micro Four Thirds, then yes, absolutely. It makes sense to wait and see what the EP8 brings. If you're buying your first serious camera right now and you simply can't wait, the EP7 is still an excellent option and offers fantastic value today. But if you're in a position where you can hold off just a little longer, the EP8 has the potential to be one of the most exciting compact camera releases we've seen in years. That's everything we know and everything we can reasonably predict about the OM system Pen-EP8 right now. If this helped you understand what's coming, hit that like button. It genuinely supports the channel and helps more people discover this content. And if you want to stay ahead of every update, every leak, and every official announcement, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, because the moment this camera is announced, you'll hear about it here first. Got questions about the EP8 or the pen system in general? Drop them in the comments. I go through every single one, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until then, keep shooting.